The setup here for bent knee hip flexion will be lying flat on your back, and then to get your body into mid-range, we're gonna bring, in this case, the left leg up. We're gonna be bending that hip and that knee. We're gonna let the lower leg dangle nice and loose. We're then gonna take the same side arm, have that arm straight. We'll have about 1 inch of distance between the hand and the thigh. And then the goal here is to engage these muscles right on the front of the hip flexors. You wanna squeeze those, engage them, tense them, and then you're gonna use those to bring your leg in contact with your hand. Now we want to make sure that you're trying to push your leg in this general direction. We don't want to be pushing it down. We're trying to go kind of back and a teeny bit upwards as we drive that thigh into the hand, squeezing these muscles on the front of the hip all along the way. Austin's going to relax out of that. We're going to set that up one more time. He's going to bring that thigh up. Arm's going to be straight. There's about 1 inch of distance here. Engage the muscles of the hip flexor, drive that thigh into the hand, and hold that for the desired time at the desired intensity. Some of the most common mistakes here are to be letting your elbow bend and having your leg move as you're trying to push. So we got to make sure that this arm is nice and locked out. Another common issue is to be pulling back here and then to be trying to drive your leg down kind of towards your chest or somewhere out to the side or inwards. It has to be coming straight in this direction, again, kind of back and a teeny bit up while we're engaging these hip flexors. So we'll set that up one more time accurately. That knee can start bent with the foot flat. We're going to bring it up. Arm is nice and straight. Got that inch of distance. And then you'll see here, he's just touching that to his hand as he engages these muscles here on the front of his hip flexor, pushing his thigh this way.